video, we're going to take a look at how easy it is to process a nursery's orders in Sembrent Nursery Solutions. We'll start by creating a new order. We fill out who the order is for, select a purchaser, enter the date the customer wants to receive it, a PO if one is used, and we save it, which takes us to the order's detail screen. When we click on Add Products, a list of all available sale-ready products appears. If we want to find a specific product, we can use the filters to quickly narrow down the list to what we're looking for. The customer requested kale for this order, so we type that, and when we hit Tab, the list is narrowed down to kale products. We tab to the product we want, hit Enter, and now we enter the quantity and save. We do the same for another variety of kale. We'll also add some lavenders the customer requested. Now we clear the filters and add a couple more products. Let's say while the customer is on the line, they change their mind about how many they want of the lacinato kale. We click on the ordered quantity, enter the new quantity they want, and save it. The order is updated from 12 to 6, and the other 6 were returned to inventory as available stock. Now let's fast forward to the day we pick this order and stage it for shipping. We click on Pick Order, and the input dialog for recording a pick appears. The expected quantities are already filled in for us. Everything looks good, except we find out there are only 10 Butter Crunch lettuce jumbos left because the rest just don't quite meet our standards. We change the picked quantity to 10. Whenever a pick or ship quantity is less than the quantity planned, a value list of loss types appears. We select quality as the reason for the loss, and we record our pick quantities for this order. Now we'll record the shipping. Since everything looks good and the shipped quantities jibe with the picked quantities, all we have to do is save it. And to complete the shipping, we create a packing list. Now that our order is shipped, it's time to generate an invoice. We click on Create Invoice, and it generates one. You'll notice that products in the order that have the same UPC code have been combined into single line items. This makes the invoice easier to read by your customer's accounts payable. Remember that we already created a detailed packing list that the invoice can be compared against if the need arises. Let's switch from Mac to Windows now so we can take a look at a great time saver for QuickBooks desktop users. When Sembrent runs on Windows and has the QB link feature enabled, we can push the invoice data to QuickBooks Desktop. We click on the plus sign next to the QB linked text, and when the invoice is created in QuickBooks, we see that the plus sign has changed to a linked icon, and the QuickBooks invoice number replaced the temporary number that was assigned to it by Sembrent. When we take a look at QuickBooks, we can confirm that invoice 20360 for this customer has been created. With the QB link feature in Sembrent, invoicing through QuickBooks can become a seamless process. Be sure to check out our other videos that demonstrate how easy nursery management can be with Sembrent Nursery Solutions. Until next time.